Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your own stickers or GIFs and then use them in your edits on CapCut. So here I'm going to just show you how you can add the stickers, and what you guys need to do is just click on stickers option, and to add your own sticker, here you need to click on this plus icon on the picture here on the left corner in your stickers page. Click on that and you'll be directed to your albums. Then you can just choose the stickers that you want. So for example, I want to add the stickers right here. Because it's big, you just need to resize it by zooming it out like this and adjust it like so. So I'm going to add another sticker here. And to make it move like a sticker in CapCut, you just need to use the animation feature. So here, just click on the sticker, click on animation, and now I'm going to use the loop, and I'm going to use the wiper here. Okay, and then for the second one, you can also use animations to make it move. Okay, so just like that, that's how you can add your own stickers or maybe just to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Thank you.